What if you could design stunning presentation, websites, and social media posts all in minutes without ever touching a design template again? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you. You can see this presentation that I made for my OpenBox Tech channel, selling t-shirts and showing my audience how to sign up and featuring the company's new product. So you can also create your own presentation for your own product, from slides to websites to social content, so you can spend less time formatting and more time focusing on what you do best. So I'm going to show you step by step everything that you can do with this new Gamma tool AI. So let's just dive in and follow my steps. First of all, you need to come to this website, which is called Gamma. Now you can start it for free. So I'm just going to click on start for free. And after that, you just need to continue with Google account. Now, after you log in with your account, you will get this page. Here you get three options, which is called paste in text, generate, and import file or URL. So if you just click on paste in text, paste some text, it will show you can type in here what you want, or you can import files. So if you have already created a notes or outline for your content that you want to make, or you can have a PDF file like that, text file or PDF file, you can import that. And here we got another option, which is called import file or URL. So if we click it, here we got, if you're already working in a project, like you have already created a PowerPoint, or you have already created a Google Slides, and also you have some information from web pages or blog posts, you can just enter the URL or upload the file, and it will start to create your presentation. But if we go back, we want to create a presentation without having any information, like you can create from a one-line prompt in few seconds. So I'm just going to click it, and just like the previous presentation that I show you, I created that just using a text prompt. Now here you can have four options. You can create web page, document, or social post for your social content creation. But I'm going to choose the presentation. And also you have option like 8 cards. Choose how many slides that you want on your presentation. I'm just going to choose 8 cards and choose the default option. And this is where the magic happens. You just need to describe what kind of presentation that you want. So I just tell it, okay, start a presentation for my OpenBox Tech company's new monthly t-shirt subscription box, featuring product and benefits, pricing, and how to sign up. So let's just hit the generate outline, and let's see what kind of outline it gave me. As you can see, just in seconds, it gave me all the outline that I needed for my startup presentation to create a t-shirt subscription box. It starts with the heading, OpenBox t-shirt subscription box, and all the punchlines like the problem, wardrobe boredom, I have nothing to wear, a daily struggle, and also our solution, our benefits, and all the things that I included, like what kind of discount that they will get. Now all the cards that you see are basically the slides I'm going to create. And also you can edit right here. Let's say I want to change this heading here, and I'm just going to click on it. Benefits you will love to enjoy. And this is how also you can change the text from here. Like I want my simple and affordable price slides on the first here. So I'm just going to click on this card and drag and drop it to the number 5. And that's it. After all the editing that you've done with the text, if you just go down, can let you choose your own theme, like what kind of theme you want on your presentation. Also, you can choose amount of text per card, like brief, medium, or detailed. I'm just going to choose medium. And also you can choose AI images, what kind of AI images that you want. Also, you can choose the AI image model. You can see here's some basic models, Flux Fast, Imagen 3, Luma Photo Flash. So I'm just going to choose the Flux Fast. And also, if you don't like here, you can click on view more option, and you can get all the themes. So I'm just going to change my theme again. So I select this theme here, select theme. Now, after all the details modified, you can click on generate, and let's watch the presentation come to life. And here it is. In just a couple of seconds, it creates the OpenBox Tech t-shirt subscription box from my YouTube channel. Now you can modify what you want in your presentation. Like if I go to this left here, you can see all the slides that we created. You can choose one by one to what you want on your slides. So if I go to the first section, you can see you can edit the text from here. You can edit your name. You can edit the header from here. And also you have a search bar, what you want to search on your presentation. You can also change the image from here. So let's say I want to change this image. I just have to click on Ask AI, that I want to change the image. It just tell me how would I like to change this feature state device, and he'll give me some suggestion. I want some t-shirts in the box and just send, and it will start to edit the image. As you can see, it actually added some t-shirt in the box. The image has been changed into a t-shirt in the box. So here you can also add your own images, search for images to add that. Also, you can add your video. I can insert my own video, and I can also add my social network like Instagram, Twitter. Now, if I go down in the second slide here, you can see there's an option to add icon. Like if I go down, it adds some icon here with a different logo. But if you want to add your own icon with a different logo, you can just click on add icon, and you can choose this icon based on your design. But if you want to add a new slide right from here, like from the slide number 3 to 4, and I want to add a new slide, add card with AI, and describe what you want. Let's just say I want a card here for showing our collection of t-shirts, and hit generate. After a couple of seconds, it's really create another slide with showing our t-shirt design that we're going to sell in our company. You can change the image or upload your own image just like I show you. Let's say you want to change the theme here, like overall the theme is looking good, but you want to change the theme. So if you just go back to the theme option, and I have chosen this theme, now I want to change the theme into a brighter mode. You can choose all the theme that you like, this theme here, and click on it. As you can see, it changes the theme into the theme that I want. Now it's look more brighter and the images pop out with this theme. So after, if you already finished your project here and you want to present this presentation, you can just click on present here, click on present. Now you can directly present your presentation from here, pressing the arrow button like this. So this is looking pretty cool with also the animation that you can see. Now if you want to download this as a PowerPoint, just click on exit, click on this three-dot menu, and click on export. Now you can see you can export to PDF, export to PowerPoint, export to Google Slide, which is a new option, and also you can export to PNGs. You just have to click this download option and it will start to download on your PC. So that's it. If you go to your home page, you'll find all the project that is made here. And right now you get 400 credits to use that for free. And I have made this entire presentation with just using 55 credits. And if you had a project, you can import it. You can start new from blank. And also you can create new with AI just like me that I used. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, I always come up with new AI news and AI tech tutorial and solutions. So subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.